Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a big box of stuff. I'm gonna do all e.l.f. makeup brand first impressions and full face look. And all this stuff that I got was on clearance. So this video idea was given to me by my sister, my baby sister. Shout out to you, Charity. Let's look and see what's inside this box. I kind of look like I'm bald. Let's do a different pony. So I went on the e.l.f. website and only picked stuff that was on sale. So nothing was more than $3, I think. First thing that is on top is this makeup brush travel bag. Well, you don't have to travel with it, but that's why I got it. It's just black. My brushes, small, compact. It'll fit good in my suitcase. And you can fit probably quite a few brushes in there. Next in the box, I got this is a mix to match adjuster. You put it in your, foundation. You put it in your foundation to make it match your skin tone if you get tanner. Whoa! I just squirted out a bunch. It is like, so that's really cool. And it's gonna be very useful in the summer season. Next in the box is a tinted moisturizer. This is the shade beige. I didn't know what shade to get, so I just picked one. Looks like this. Here's it rubbed in. I feel like it'll probably match pretty good. The only thing that they didn't have on clearance was an actual foundation. This is the closest I got to a foundation. I didn't order 2 of these, but for some reason they sent me 2 of these blushes. And this is the shade Blushing. This is what it looks like. It's quite light. I like my, if you do a lot of quite a bit of layers, it's really pretty. And it's kind of shimmery. It's very soft, kind of buttery. I like that. Yes, yes. Next in the, ooh, I just saw something very pretty. Next in the bag is a lip gloss. This is in the shade Rose Quartz. Come on, open up. This is what the applicator looks like. Ooh, pretty. This is what it looks like. Shimmery. And on the lips, pretty. I like it. Next we have a black eyeliner. This is a twisty kind. This is what it looks like. And then you twist it. And this is what one line. Oh, that's nice. I like the kind that are twisty and not sharpening, because most of the time I can't find a sharpener. Next we have a brush. This is an angled eyeliner brush if you're using like a gel pod. It's very, very small. Let's see how precise this line can get. Oh, that's small. That's nice. I didn't even show you the small bit. Small, and then if I did it thicker. That's nice. That'll be nice if you want to do like something really precise. We have another eyeliner, and this is a sharpener one. I want to try out all the eyeliners that they had to see which one I like the best. Not all they had, but all the ones that were on clearance. This one does come with a sharpener, as the sharpener is the lid. Oh, nice. You don't even have to like put it on the outside. The sharpener is inside, so you just put the lid on and then twist it. That's nice. So let's see which one. Oh, that's nice actually. The top one. It's very creamy. So that's the pencil liner, and this is the twisty one liner. This one is actually, it seems like it's darker black. I like it. It looks nice. Contouring brush. I'm excited. I've been wanting this brush actually. And it is very flat, so it can make a very precise contour line. This is really cool. And it feels really nice. And I'm excited to use this. Next brush I got was just a big poofy face brush. And I always use a nice poofy brush. Apply some stuff to your face. It's very soft and I like it. This is what it looks like. Last brush I got was a lash and brow wand. I have this exact one that I use, but I can never have too many wands, especially for my brows, because I use them a lot. It just looks like this regular old wand. Eyeliner. This is an eyeliner pen. And this is what the container looks like. This is what the tip looks like. Ooh, that's nice. They're all nice. So this is all three of them together. Pen, pencil, and twisty one. Next we have an eyeshadow palette. This actually came with my order because I got a certain amount. They sent this for free. And I got free shipping. Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. Open it up. Ooh, very matte. These are the colors. Oh, there you are. Let's do a swatchy swatch. Let's try the dark one. Here are some of the colors swatched. The first 4 dark ones. And then a random one I just tried. Next, I got a mascara primer. This is in transparent. Apply like you would your mascara and allow to fully dry, and then layer on mascara as usual for an enhanced look. This is what it looks like. It says primer. Let's see what it looks like inside. Okay, then I got 2 mascaras to try with the primers. I got a volumizing and defining, and then just a volumizing one. Volumizing and defining one. Ew. And this is what what is this one? Just volumizing. Mascara's expensive, so if they work nice, that'd be awesome. Next I have a concealer stick. Hopefully this isn't too dark. Once again, I didn't know what color to get. This is what it looks like. And you open it. And it rolls out. That's pretty dark. Let's see. It looks lighter than my foundation. I would normally use a little bit lighter color, but it's still lighter than my foundation, so. And then I got a contour palette. And that looks like this. And it looks like this. This is what the top 2 shades look like. And then these are the 2 bottom contour colors. Next we have, I got 2 highlighters. This white pearl one. It looks like the blush except for a highlighter. Looks yellower, not really white. So it looks like on my finger. On the cheek. Whoa! That is very shiny. And then the other one I got was a highlighter stick. Natural glow stick. Champagne glow. The bottom is like yellow. Whoa! This is what it looks like. Oh, it does turn up. Put it on this side. Ooh, I like that. Yes, yes, yes. This is supposed to be like a more natural, like, oh, you can see that. You see that? Whoa, whoa, wow. I like it better than the other one. I like it. I like it a lot. Puts it all over my face. Okay, I like this stick a lot. This is nice. Okay, moving on. Next, I have a liquid lipstick. Baby lips. You see that highlighter on my lips? Oh my goodness. This is what it looks like. Then you twist the bottom. How many twists does it take to get a twist, twist, twist? Ah! It's coming out. It smells good. This is what it looks like. Doesn't really have a color. I don't feel like. But it feels nice and it smells really good. This is the thing I saw at first and I was like, ooh! Because I love this color. This is a Stardust glitter eyeliner in the color Pink Opal. And I love all things opal. It's my favorite. My favorite thing of all times. Give me anything opal, and I'll love you for the rest of your life. This is what it looks like. I was not expecting that. I thought it was going to be white. And look at this. You see that? Oh my goodness. Wow, 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 wow. I feel like I wouldn't use this as an eyeliner, more like a want to add glitter to your face or your eye. This is a rose gold body glitter anywhere. You can use it for eyeshadow or whatever. What the freaking heck? I suck at this. Swatching. No Budge shadow stick in the color rose gold. Clearly I like rose gold. Yes, I do actually. Come out. What? This is what it looks like. A little stick. No Budge shadow stick. Oh. This is what it looks like again. Let's put this on my skin. Ooh, pretty. It's like metallic-y. This is the color. Supposedly it's not supposed to budge, so we will see when I try this out. I like the color. And it also has a twisty to go up and down. And the last thing is a smooth matte eyeshadow that looks like a lip gloss in a blushing rose. This 100% looks like a lipstick. But the color looks real pretty. Ooh, I like that color. It looks like mauve or whatever, however you say it. Oh, that is so pretty. I'm excited. I never use a lip gloss eyeshadow. This is what it looks like. You see that? Doesn't it look like lipstick? What? Are you sure this is eyeshadow? Are you sure? Yep. That's cool. I'm really excited about that. Yay, 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 yay. Okay, and that is everything that I got. Here's my box full of stuff. Unboxed. Next, we will be trying them out on the Foss.